Hello students, now open page number, now see worksheet 13. We are studying lesson 13, air and the water. We are solving the worksheet 13. In this worksheet we have solved, fill in the blanks, pick the right answer, write T for true and F for false. Today we are going to solve the questions. Answer the following. D. Answer the following. So first question you see, name the three main gases that air contains. Name the three main gases that air contains. So this answer, the three main gases that air contains are, number one is A, nitrogen, second one is the oxygen, and third one the carbon dioxide. This proportion gradually decreases. This proportion of nitrogen is more in comparison to oxygen, and oxygen's proportion is more in comparison to the carbon dioxide. In one word, you can understand that the amount of the nitrogen in the atmosphere is more in comparison to oxygen, and amount of the oxygen is more in comparison to the carbon dioxide. So now see next question. Now see next question. What is polluted air? What is polluted air? Air contains smoke, dust, and some poisonous gases is called polluted air. Is called polluted air. Is called polluted air. This polluted air is harmful for us, or polluted air is bad for health. For bad for health. So this is question second, and third you see, third question. What are the uses of water? What are the uses of water? What are the uses of water? We can write third question here. Now third you see, Fourth, water is used for num- for number one, drinking. Number one is used for drinking. Second, for cooking. Third, for cleaning. And fourth, for bathing. Fifth, bathing, washing. And sixth, watering plant. For watering plants. Seventh, for putting out fire. For putting out fire, etc. So this is the question number third. Um, so question number third, you see that what are the uses of water? So water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning, bathing, washing, watering plants, putting out fire, etc. These are the few uses of the water. What are the form in which water exists? What are the forms in which water exists? So next question we can write question number fourth. Now after writing this, you can see question fourth. Question number fourth. Water exists in three forms. Number one, liquid. A. Liquid. B. Solid. And third one is the in the gaseous form. In the gaseous form. So in the three state, water exists. So different forms of the water. One is the liquid form. In the three forms, number one is the liquid, solid, and gaseous. Right, again gaseous. So Example you can write as solid form as ice, gaseous form as water vapor, as water vapor. And liquid form as we are using for the drinking purposes. So that for today, next day we will solve next question. Thank you. That's for today.